Did you know that people are earning real commissions every day through Temu's affiliate program? Temu is one of the fastest growing e-commerce platforms right now, and today I'm going to walk you through exactly how you can start earning too. Temu launched in 2022 and has been on a massive upward climb ever since. If you check Google Trends, you'll see it's exploding in popularity. With over 500 million app downloads, it's quickly become one of the top shopping platforms online. But here's the real question: how can you actually make money from it? Temu's affiliate program allows you to earn up to 20% commission on every sale made through your unique link. And here's something many people don't know: you can also earn between $3 and $4 when someone downloads the Temu app for the first time through your link, even if they never buy anything. This makes it an attractive option for beginners looking to earn online. Before I break down the step-by-step process to start, I want to share something that's been helping me save time and work smarter. Before we begin, I want to introduce you to a powerful tool I've been using called Gamma. It's an AI platform that transforms your ideas, documents, or notes into beautiful presentations and web pages in seconds. Best of all, it's free to get started. For me, Gamma has been a game changer. I've used it to turn my video scripts into clean, professional presentations that I share with my email list, and it takes just minutes. Let me show you how. First, click Create New. You'll be given options to paste in text, generate with AI, or import files or links. I usually paste in my full video script, but you can start with bullet points or rough outlines. After that, Gamma asks what you'd like to create. Select Presentation. Then it asks how you want to handle your content. You can keep the original text, summarize it, or create something entirely new. I usually choose Summarize to make the content more digestible. You can even choose how condensed you want it to be and set the number of slides. Gamma supports multiple languages, which is great if your audience is international. Before generating the final presentation, you can pick a theme and customize the layout, colors, and style. Once it's created, you're free to tweak anything, add or remove sections, adjust design, and more. Gamma has streamlined my entire content workflow and saved me hours of time. If you create content of any kind, I highly recommend trying it. There's a link in the video description below. See for yourself what you can build in just a few clicks. Alright, here's how to join Temu's affiliate program. Simply go to Temu's website, scroll to the bottom, and click on Affiliate and Influencer Program. There is no complicated approval process. You can sign up and get your affiliate link instantly. Once you have your link, the real work begins: driving traffic. One of the most effective ways right now is through TikTok. You've probably seen those viral Amazon Finds videos. Well, the same thing is happening with hashtag Temu Finds. People are making short videos showing interesting and affordable Temu products, and these videos are pulling in millions of views. Now, one important tip: TikTok doesn't allow direct affiliate links in your bio. They could flag it as spam. Instead, use a free tool like Linktree to store all your links in one place. That way you can direct people to your Linktree page where they can safely click your Temu affiliate link. And here's another beginner-friendly tip: you don't have to spend money upfront on products. You can start by showcasing items you already own that are similar to what Temu sells. Once you start earning commissions, you can reinvest into buying actual products from Temu to create more polished videos. As for income potential, results vary widely. Some affiliates report making anywhere from a few dollars a day to thousands per month, but it depends on your consistency, the quality of your content, and your ability to drive clicks. While earning $200 a day is possible over time, it usually requires steady posting and a growing audience across platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. If you approach this like a real business and put in consistent effort, those small commissions can add up to something significant. The sooner you start creating and sharing content, the sooner you can see results.